Earlier this evening, Wayne LaPierre featured on the Lou Dobbs program on CNN, and here is just a brief portion of this report featuring Wayne LaPierre.
As recently as January, in a decision handed down by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals in the case Maloney versus Cuomo, the court wrote, quote, "The Second Amendment does not apply to the states." That judgment, handed down 6 months after Heller, infuriated gun rights groups like the National Rifle Association.
I think Justice Sotomayor in the Maloney case treated that recent Supreme Court Heller decision, the Supreme Court, like some crazy old uncle that you can either listen to or simply disregard, and she disregarded it.
Judge Sotomayor does have legal allies on this point, and conservative ones at that.
Now, Sotomayor's views on the Second Amendment rights predate Maloney. Back in 2004, she noted in a footnote to U.S. versus Sanchez-Villar that, quote, "The right to possess a gun is clearly not a fundamental right." Ironically, a conservative judicial panel in the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals, in denying a challenge to Chicago's gun laws this past June, also found that the Second Amendment is not a guaranteed right at the state or local level. That puts the Seventh and the Second Circuit courts at odds with the Ninth Circuit, which has ruled that gunship ownership is a fundamental right. Lou, a showdown appears to be headed for the Supreme Court, where it would seem Sotomayor is destined to be a justice.